Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable developer option on your Samsung device. So firstly, head over to settings application. In your settings application, you scroll down till you see about phone and click on about phone. Then once you click on about phone, you click on software information. Then on software information, you scroll up till you see build number. So you click on the build number 5 times and then you input your lock screen password to enable developer option. Okay, so I'll input my lock screen password. Allow. Okay, so as you can see now, developer mode has now been enabled. So for you to access it, you just have to go back and you scroll up here to you see developer options. So this is just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.